another drugstore cleansing micellar water in the market, and I have 2 of them in these 2 cute tiny bottles, as I just needed to try it and find out what's all the hype about. Other than Shea Mitchell's fake makeup removing ad that went viral some time ago, the blue bottle is the baking soda cleansing water and is for combination skin and can remove makeup, including heavy makeup like your mascara and foundation, and is also supposed to rebalance the skin without over drying it out. It is oil free and pH balanced and is also hypoallergenic. What they say is no need to rinse, which surprises me. I always suggest rinsing your face after removing any kind of makeup, either with a micellar water or a makeup remover wipe. The black bottle here is the charcoal micellar cleansing water and is for oily prone skin and removes all traces of makeup as well, and is supposed to absorb the excess oil from the skin. This can be used to cleanse the skin twice a day, morning and evening. Not washing your face is sometimes frowned upon, but some people actually find washing their face twice a day kind of harsh and just tend to use micellar water, which is totally fine when you have really sensitive or dehydrated, dry and sensitive skin, as sometimes cleanses formulated with certain ingredients could be the reason of breakouts, redness, and just dehydrated dryness. I'd like to also suggest using this if you have super dry skin. Micellar water can be used as a facial cleanser, toner, and a makeup remover. Now in theory, micellar waters are supposed to be safe enough to stay on the skin, but I recommend to always rinse it, just to be safe, just in case you might have an allergic reaction to any of the ingredients. I suggest buying clear, odorless, colorless, with no fragrance micellar water. My favorite is Biore, and if you're looking for something drugstore, Garnier makes an excellent one as well. These work fine for me and they're just really simple. I got mine at Feel Unique. You get them in 2 sizes. Of course, since I just wanted to try these out, I picked mine in a mini size, which was priced at about £2 on Feel Unique. But then again, different stores have different pricing. In the UK, I believe you can also get it at Superdrug, and in the US, Ulta would have them as well. And I will also put a link to Amazon in the description box. I'm going to be adding the ingredient list here. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. And if you do like the new style of videos, don't forget to hit that like button, and I'll see you all in my next video. Till then, you take care and I'll see you soon. Bye.